Many people come to New York City to work on their dream and to achieve the dream they've always wanted. But first, you need to find a place which you can afford and the place where you're going to stay. So if you're looking to come to New York City and to possibly live with friends or just to find a place to move out because you're tired of your old place, this video is for you. Now, this budget is pretty high. It's between $6,000 and $6,500. But the good thing is, you may know some roommates or some people who might want to stay with you for this short amount of time. So let's check out these huge places which you might really want to stay at. Our first place was only posted 6 hours ago. So, alright, so this is $6,250 a month. It is 2-bed, 2-bath. So if you had a second roommate, definitely split that to make it about $3,100 and something, somewhere around there.
Okay.
So this is the quick layout, and that would be very convenient for you guys, only $3,000. Or if you want more people, you can definitely add some friends, and maybe they might be siblings, might work out perfectly, and it might be quite cheap or affordable. So here we have the washroom, very nicely sized washroom. Here's one of the rooms. Definitely can fit a nice queen size bed in there. Great window as well. All right, wow, nice second bathroom. Great kitchen, nice storage space. So here's like the outside. Here is the gym area, and they may have some more amenities as well. So here is another living space. Great view. And we are back to one of the living spaces. This is a very nice spacious place. 2-bed, 2-bath. Let's see where you are specifically. Wow, great walk score and great bike score as well. And you are in Williamsburg. So if that works out, this could totally be a cool fit for you and some of your friends. This next one was only posted 15 hours ago. 3-bed, 1-bath, $62.95 per month. Alright, so if you have 3 roommates, that turns out to be like $2,100 each, which is not too bad in New York City. Great views here, nice rooftop. So this is the building. Alright, and this is the fitness center. I hope we get some good pictures of the inside. We are at the 6th picture and no interior space. Alright. So this is like the outside. Oh, very nice. And you got the laundry area. Wow. No pictures of the inside of the building. All right, so let's check where we're at. We are in the East Village. Wow, 100 on both the walk score and transit score, 98 on the bike score. That's actually the first, no, this would be the second time where there's no pictures at all of the interior space that you'd be living in. You would need to contact them for them to actually show you the place. All right, let's check out this one, which is $6,000 a month. Whoa, it's 5-bed, 2-bath. All right, bedrooms might not be as spacious as other places with less bedrooms. So this is kind of like the living room, dining space. We see some 2 bedrooms, nice. All right, nice closet. Ooh, very nice space here. All right. Yes, many people do go to New York City or live in New York City with a ton of friends just to really, make the dream come true. So this could work out perfectly, even though the rooms may not be super spacious. So here we have the bathroom with a nice window. Very, very nice. Comment below if you currently live with roommates or with family, or if you live by yourself. And comment below if you want to see more places just like this within the same price range, or if you want to see something lower or something even higher. So this is something around what you would get in New York City within these specific areas, Manhattan and Brooklyn. All right, check out these videos as well, and we'll see you in the next video.